Are you buying a lab with rich phonetic content? Or just empty hardware with no lessons?
Remember, a speech lab without preloaded drills, minimal pairs, and pronunciation exercises is like a classroom without a teacher.
Bottom Line have been serving schools since 1998, installing speech laboratories, not only in the Philippines but also overseas.
It has installed the phonetic speech laboratories in more than 100 schools, colleges, and universities, in the Philippines and in 5 colleges in Tanzania, East Africa, such as Vita Mtwara, Vita Lindi, Vita Mikumi, Arusha Technical College, and Mwanza Regional Training College.
Bottom Line kept on improving its system, from the conventional models to the most advanced digital model.
It is equipped with modeling tools that illustrate how to produce phonetic sounds, with lots of pronunciation drills and exercises.
Don't buy a speech laboratory unless it meets the following 5 criteria.
1. Teaching function.
2. Self-study with recording function. 3. Examination function. 4. Content availability. Modeling tools. Illustrating how to produce phonetic sounds.
Sample lessons, illustrating how to articulate phonetic sounds.
Remember, a speech lab without preloaded drills, minimal pairs, and pronunciation exercises is like a classroom without a teacher.
5. Training and support.
Hands-on one-on-one training and class demonstrations are conducted after every installation, ensuring teachers and students maximize the system.
Alternatively, teachers may use pronunciation exercises like minimal pairs, tongue twisters, and word exaggeration.
Curves. Marble.
Bottom Line already have installed at 5 colleges, in Tanzania, East Africa. Aside from more than 100 schools in the Philippines.
And Bottom Line is expanding to serve more schools towards Brazil, Ghana, West Africa, Middle East, member countries of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN. Teachers are amazed as they observed the following. 1. More students are beginning to become perceptive. 2. 50% of their students became fluent in just 3 weeks. 3. They put credit on the pedagogical video pronunciation lessons that are preloaded in the phonetic speech laboratory.
Bottom Line fabricates student cubicles for you on site.
Get the modern speech laboratory with cubicles that are ergonomically designed.
Bottom Line surely completes installing your speech laboratory in 60 days. The best part is, you are covered by a 3-year warranty no matter what country you are situated.
Bottom Line is proud to present its installations in Tanzania, East Africa.
Vita Mtwara, Vita Lindi, Vita Mikumi,
Arusha Technical College,
Mwanza Regional Training College.
Presenting to you our recent list of happy and satisfied clients.
Our clients in the Philippines are mostly from private schools while there are a few from public schools.
Included in the list are the 5 colleges in Tanzania, East Africa.
Contact us today. Call Bernardo F. Basmayor at +63082 221 5513 or send message to WhatsApp at +63 926 697 2659. Or reach us online by typing in your browser. Bottom Line Interactive Multimedia Speech Laboratory and Educational Technology.